बॉलीवुड लाइव ऑडियंस को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट रसल डिसिल्वा एंड जॉइनिंग विद मी टुडे इज वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी टैलेंटेड, वेरी टफ नीतू चंद्रा। उन्होंने ऑब्वियसली बॉलीवुड में और साउथ में दोनों में हमने उनका काम देखा है, काफ़ी उम्दा काम किया है अब तक। और अभी उनको एक सॉलिड हॉलीवुड एक्शन फिल्म मिली है। वो एक्शन फिल्म क्या है, इसमें या उस फिल्म में उनका रोल क्या है, ये सब नीतू हमें खुद बताएगी। So huge round of welcome to you, Neetu. Looking forward to talk about the movie and your career so far.
Thank you, Russell. I really appreciate it. Yes, this is Never Back Down franchisee. This is the fourth part of it. It's Sony Motion Pictures, and it's a female-oriented action movie. I play one of the main leads among two girls, and I get to do the action myself. So there's no body double. And very few people know that I've got a work visa and I'm based out of Los Angeles right now. लेकिन मैं काम सब जगह कर रही हूँ, तो इसका कोई वो नहीं है कि अच्छा तुम हिंदी नहीं कर, हिंदी कर रही हूँ. अनदर हिंदी फिल्म इज रेडी टू रिलीज in 3 months' time, I guess, with Paresh Rawal, Randeep Huda, Pankaj Tripathi, Govind Namdev, Raghuveer Yadav, and me with Amit Trivedi music. So that is another project which is ready to release. So my idea was to be based out of Los Angeles, थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड को as a third perspective, as a थोड़ा सा distance perspective से देखना चाह रही थी. And traveling the world has always been my bucket list में रहा है. And I always feel that when you travel, you learn a lot, you educate yourself so much that एक जगह रहकर होता ही नहीं है. And as a martial artist, I never found myself uh, you know limited. you know I always found saturation in wherever I stood, wherever, in whatever shoes I stood. As an actor, as a martial artist, I was like, और क्या है दुनिया में, और क्या कर सकती हूँ, और कैसे ब्लैक टाइक्वांडो करती थी तो कराटे भी करना है, तो किक बॉक्सिंग भी करना है. आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द I've been associated with NBA Basketball of India for the past 10 years, and I'm a basketball player as well. Yeah, so, and then I did theater. So I was this एक बच्चा नहीं होता है जिसको हमेशा क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है कि जैसे मैं हमेशा भी ये सोचती हूँ कि कंप्यूटर का नाम कंप्यूटर क्यों है, चादर का नाम चादर क्यों है, बैग का नाम बैग क्यों, मतलब एवरीथिंग अराउंड मी, सबका नाम वो क्यों है जो है. So there's no answer to all these things. So my curiosity doesn't have an answer unless I get something like, oh, I have to do this. थोड़ा सा थोड़ा थोड़ा weird है but unique है. So you can accept me like that.
ऐसे ऐसे चाहिए बिना अगर हर कोई हर जो पाथ उनको दिखा जाएगा, इफ दे जस्ट वॉक ऑन इट, तो फिर लाइफ भी बोरिंग हो जाएगी, दुनिया भी बोरिंग बोरिंग हो जाएगी आप
Yeah, you are a martial artist. You are now, and I have seen your work. I now I know you're a martial artist. So I've always felt that बचपन में जो एक level तक martial arts कर लेते हैं लोग, all the kids, when they get into their careers, they explore it really well. They really excel in whatever they do as a career because there's never giving up attitude and responsibilities and disciplines, and then go get it and never stop doing what you want to do. Just grab the world, conquer the world, rock the world. These are the kind of words which are like a little cliche, but it is the truth.
व्यू कम फ्रॉम
I'm
माही,
sorry.
वी काइंड ऑफ सीम टू थ्राइव अंडर प्रेशर। थोड़ा जितना ज्यादा प्रेशर आता है तो उतना ही ज्यादा हम लोग का परफॉर्मेंस आता है।
उतना ही अच्छा हम काम हो जाते हैं एक्चुअली, जितना प्रेशर उतना कामनेस. बिकॉज ब्रूस ली ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से दैट फाइट इज नॉट अबाउट, it's not about fight, it's about the peace. So other peace with myself. जब मैं मेरे पास बहुत टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि मेरे पास फिल्में नहीं थी, बट स्टिल आई वाज नॉट सेइंग यस टू ऑल दोस फिल्म्स व्हिच आर so called commercial big studio films and everything, but I just couldn't connect with it because they were like very double meaning comedy, cheap kind of dialogues. चीप भी नहीं बोलेंगे, मतलब डबल मीनिंग तो कह ही सकते हैं कि, तो वैसी थी. तो मुझे इशू नहीं है कुछ भी कि बन रही है, मुझे इशू है कि मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मैं उस लायक ही नहीं हूँ कि मैं उसको
आपको नहीं, आपको नहीं।
कनेक्ट कर पाऊँ. हाँ, मैं नहीं कर पा, देखो उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मुझसे होएगा ही नहीं, मैं परफॉर्म ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी. तो दैट वाज वो भी स्ट्रेंथ होना चाहिए नहीं बोलने के लिए. व्हेन यू डोंट वांट, आई ऑलवेज फील सक्सेस इज समथिंग. If you are successful in saying no to what you don't want to do, then you are successful. And thankfully, I've been successful.
जो आप
And then,
so I was saying, जो आप गई थी, you said you wanted a view of Bollywood दूर से. इस आप लॉस एंजलिस मेंबरशिप किया, and traveling is very important. This ये जो thought था to getting a life view of Bollywood दूर से, Why did this come about? It's because of your experiences in Bollywood. It's something that spurred you to take this decision. How did this thought come about?
As I said, I've always been a very curious बच्चा when and I started working when I was 17. जैसे सारे लोग ऑडिशन करने के लिए लाइन में लगते हैं एंड ऑडिशन करते हैं, होता है नहीं होता नहीं होता, that kind of thing. But since I was very super confident of myself, ओवर नहीं था, सुपर था क्योंकि आई वाज अ स्पोर्ट्स गर्ल. सो आई थॉट कि घर पे बैठ के तो नहीं है ना, ट्राई करने में भी तो नहीं होगा और इससे ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है, राइट? So I kept doing that, and then at a very young age, I did garam masala, and then traffic signal, then oh lucky lucky way, and then 2010-9 my father passed away. He was fighting cancer, so मेरी पूरी family एकदम totally हिल गई थी. But then I started doing theater, Umrao Jan, and all of it. So there was a gap of 3-4 years, and I did a couple of films with Madhuvan in Tamil, and then
That's a
Surya,
big hit.
then JM Ravi, yeah, JM Ravi, and then I did film with Amir Sultan, and then Vishal, and then also in Telugu I did a film with Nag Sir, and then Sumant. Also I worked with some 9 national award directors. तो इस तरह की quality काम कर जब आप कर लो तो फिर आपको quality ही दिखता रहेगा. Then you just didn't want it to. And there was a time when there was so much glamour stuff happening. People coming from outside, ready to wear everything without having a storyline.
Ah,
तो मेरे साथ है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. व्हाटएवर आई एम एन एक्टर, यू कांट जज मी on moral grounds.
yeah.
I can wear anything I want and I can carry it really well. My first film was only where I was wearing a swimsuit to do it, right? But there has to be a story around it to do it. तो मेरे को जब ऑफर्स आ रहे थे तो मैंने सबको बोला, देखो मेरे से ज्यादा ग्लैमरस तो वो दिखेगी, वो दिखेगी, वो दिखेगी, लेकिन एक्टिंग के साथ करना हो तो बताना, नहीं तो मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाऊँगी ये, सिर्फ़ खड़े होकर फ़ोक डांस कर रहे हो या बीच डांस कर रहे हो या सॉन्ग्स कर रहे हो।
Okay.
आई डू सो देयर वाज़ एन ऑफर व्हिच केम टू मी लाइक, अरे 5 गाने हैं और बहुत अच्छा तुम्हें प्रेज़ेंट करेंगे एंड उन 5 गानों के चारों तरफ स्टोरी कर देंगे। तो ये समझ नहीं आता है मुझे दरअसल, आई एम जस्ट वीक ऑन दैट सो
I
तो
get.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा था तो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग, आई वाज़ ऑफर्ड उमराव जान एज़ अ प्ले
Ah,
in 2014. And Purva Naresh, who was the creative head of Reliance, she was the writer producer of the film. Since I come from UP Bihar, मेरी भाषा भी अच्छी थी और बचपन में मेरी फैमिली, मेरी नानी मतलब मम्मी के साइड के सारे लोग म्यूजिकल बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं. My sisters, our cousin sisters are सारा दिन कथक, and my mausi is double MA in music. So all those things. So बचपन से मैंने कथक ट्रेन किया था उन लोगों के साथ. So not a very formal, but it just felt that it was so much into blood कि हम लोग, मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ ऐसे, right? So I was offered Umrah Jan. I did Umrah Jan. I've been doing, stage performance for बहुत performances कर लिए, 50 plus performances हो गए. And then I was playing a girl from 17 years of age to 85 with Rekha Bhardwaj's music, Nida Fazdeji and Niranjan Iyengar's lyrics. एंड 2 घंटे लाइव रहती थी स्टेज पर, तो एक अलग ही चस्का लग गया था. बहुत सारी फिल्में आ भी रही थी तो मुझे लग रहा था मैं उमराव जान करती हूँ यार, कम ऑन,
yeah.
कैसे कर
Fair
सकती
enough.
हूँ ऐसे में.
Hmm.
2016 में I started traveling. I also did a Greek film called Block 12. The trailers are on YouTube right now. And then I signed a Korean TV series. And then I went fighting out in the world to get a get great scripts. So language was not a barrier. My thing was a good script. So कोई भी लैंग्वेज, बट मैं तमिल तेलुगु कर सकती हूँ, जो टफेस्ट लैंग्वेज हो सकती है दुनिया की, इवन दो वेरी स्वीट लैंग्वेज. आई लव साउथ इंडियन मूवीज एंड मूवी मेकर्स much more than anybody in the world, I'll tell you. मेरी नज़र में हॉलीवुड के बाद अगर मैं अभी किसी ने मुझे ऐसा मौका दिया है तो साउथ इंडियन फिल्म मेकर्स ने दिया है हमेशा. एक्चुअली मेरे करियर की शुरुआत ही मेरे अच्छे बेस्ट फिल्म्स, जैसे अभी नेवर बैक डाउन मैं कह दूंगी कि ये मेरी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस होगी, तुम लोगों को बहुत मजा आएगा. कोई ब्यूटीफुल प्रीति मत सोचो, सोचो कि कोई परफॉर्मेंस इंटरनेशनली जाके देता है तो कैसे देगा, क्या कैरेक्टर होगा. और अगर मेरी पहचान बनी है तो इट्स ऑलवेज बिन विद Amir Sultan as a director, Vikram K. Kumar, who always worked with Surya or everybody. He gave me 13B. I got the Best Actress Award for Adi Bhagwan, which was directed by National Award Director Amir Sultan. So I had Thiru as a director. I had like great directors. Even in Hindi, Diwakar Banerjee and Ram Gopal Verma and Madhur
Yeah,
Bhandarkar,
that's
Priyadarshan.
yeah.
So that list, this was really good. And then 2016, I started working. going out and traveling because उस वक्त ऐसा phase आ गया था कि there was a gap of 4-5 years and I was doing theatre and I was so content with people thought कि you know ये पता नहीं कहाँ चली गई ये तो she's dead now. I'm like not for
तो साइट
myself.
आउट ऑफ माइंड जैसा हो गया था.
But not for myself because I was working a lot on different. See, life is not a film. Life film is a part of life, and I do other things as well, right? So I joined hands with my brother, who's a national award writer director, Nitin Chandra. We have a production house called Champaran Talkies. What we do is we make the A plus content in the languages of Bihar and try to change the image through the storytelling from Bihar.
Okay.
So, I got the first national award for Bihar ever for a Maithili film. तो राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया था एज अ प्रोड्यूसर. माय ब्रदर गॉट इट एज अ राइटर डायरेक्टर. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एंड देन वो क्या होता है ना वो क्वालिटी बढ़ती गई काम की,
Hmm.
you know. And then I did two Hindi films as well. Kushal Prasad ka Bhoot and Shooter, which
Yeah.
did not release, not released yet. But ठीक है, हो जाएगी, सब चीज़ का वक्त होता है. So that is what happened. And then the story of getting my work visa was very exciting when I asked people around and I said, how do I get a work visa? And they said, oh, it's very tough. You don't get it. बड़े-बड़े actors जाके आ गए, किसी को नहीं मिला. I'm like, ऐसा क्या है? मतलब क्यों नहीं मिला है?
Hmm.
तो बोले, नहीं, nobody tells you the reason. I was like, they will tell me the reason. Don't worry about it. I need the reason. I आप मुझे डिनाई नहीं कर सकते जब तक आप मुझे रीजन नहीं बताएंगे. आप बताइए नहीं, नहीं तो तुम इसको सूट नहीं करती हो, हमको ऐसा चाहिए, हमको एकदम गोरी चिट्टी लड़की चाहिए, एकदम स्किनी चाहिए. हाँ, मैं नहीं हूँ, तो मैं जो हूँ मुझे वही काम दे दो. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So I went there, I went to the interview and of course they Google you कि कौन है.
Hmm.
So the lady asked me that, oh, you're a black belt fourth dan and you represented your country 3 times. So what are you looking at? What will you do there? I said, I'll make my own opportunities. Who will stop me? I
Hmm.
just said this and I got my work visa.
या जो औरों के लिए
And that
मुश्किल आपके लिए एकदम आसान हो गया.
नहीं आसान नहीं हुआ. मैं I was just being myself. That was the truth. मैं तो झूठी नहीं कह रही थी, मैं तो सच्ची कह रही थी कि I will do my own stuff because anyway there was nobody to push me and stand with me as an army to
Hmm.
कि नीतू के साथ करना. So this
उनका.
is what happened and I think when you stand with your own self then the whole कहते हैं तो manifest कर देते हो.
Yeah.
So that is what happened with me. Yeah, that's what happened with me. I was very happy of doing what I was doing since I started very early and everything was honky dory in my mind कि अच्छा ये बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, क्वालिटी है, क्वांटिटी पे ध्यान मत दो. एक दिन आएगा जब एक फिल्म आएगी and everything will come into rotation, which is what is happening right now actually. And when this movie comes in, then you will see that by that time I must have done another movie and then two more signed. So this rotation is not going to go anywhere. I'm going to make sure that
Yeah, doing that.
I am there. And then this is a gap happened when I did not do two movies, and then I kept doing theater, producing movies with my brother, and traveling the world, doing Greek films. I think it was more than enough. Just that I was not shouting out to the whole world that I'm doing this. Now I'm telling you because I find this is the right time.
But when you began काफी बड़े धमाके के साथ आपने शुरुआत की. गरम मसाला फॉलोड बाय ट्रैफिक सिग्नल और आई थिंक सो 1-2 साल के अंदर फिर वही लकी लकी ओए भी आ गई थी एंड दिस ऑल बिग नेम्स. और सोचिए और काफी अच्छी फिल्में चली, क्रिटिकली भी अक्लेम मिला था, कमर्शियली भी चली थी.
Traffic signal आई थी. ओए
Yeah,
लकी के पहले traffic signal आ गई थी, and
yeah.
then 1, 2, 3 came.
वंडरफुल. सो माय पॉइंट इज कि उसके बाद फिर तो आपको उसके बाद फिर ऐसे ही क्यों ऑफर्स मिले कि ये जो 5 गाने हैं उसमें आपको और ये पोल डांस है वगैरह आफ्टर दैट
नहीं,
ऑफर.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था. नहीं, 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 ऐसा नहीं था. There's a confusion. I did Run with Amitabh Bachchan. I did
या दैट
13B
वाज
with
देयर.
Madhavan. I did Apartment. I did No Problem. फिर 2009 तक तो मैं कर ही रही थी. This is the last day, the day my
I'm
father
talking about
passed
the
away.
more
That was the
performance
last.
oriented roles, probably the more perform
Yeah.
besides Run what was there, but I'm talking about the more performance oriented roles like the ones you were looking out for. वो कहीं ना कहीं do you think so कि Bollywood unlike they were just not ready probably to see you in more performance oriented roles, more filmmakers, क्या वो वहाँ पे कुछ problem हो गई थी?
I don't know. Yeah, I cannot have an answer for everything, but I know this much that that 2009 my father passed away. I took a gap of 2, 3 years, and then I started doing theater. And then when I was talking to people, they were always giving, because okay, people change every day. Year there are people coming in. There's a camp. There's a team. There's, you know, uh, अपना comfort zone होता है.
Hmm.
Everybody's working there. When I wanted to work in that comfort zone, then there was already people there. I am not, I don't come from anywhere for anybody to pick up the phone and say, अच्छा, उसको हटाओ, नीतू को ले लो. नहीं. इसीलिए I joined hands with my brother that एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि I will produce my own thought process, and today is the day. So I'm doing, and also I don't regret and I don't complain with anybody, because I feel that everything is destined and everything is a time,
Hmm.
and you have to be very positive and consistent in what you're doing. So instead of plucking it what happened at that time, and when I was supposed to do that movie, I did not do that, and I did not do, actually there's no point. The only point is that you learn it and go ahead. वही कर सकते हैं. So
Spoken
that
like
is
a
what
true,
I was doing, and yeah,
spoken,
I was
spoken like
lucky
a
to
true
even
martial
be
artist. Always
launched.
looking ahead.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What
Always
is it?
looking ahead. Spoken like a true martial artist. I said.
Yeah, but what else can you do? People, we are, as humans, we have a habit of cribbing and keep complaining and just rotating in the same circle, and not realizing that you're wasting time and you're not literally going ahead. मैं तो यही करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, अभी भी यही कर रही हूँ, and I have great team around me and the people are very positive. I'm quite a laughter box, so just trying to control right now.
ओके, नॉट इंटेंडिंग टू मेक यू क्रिप. ये तो कोई मतलब इंटरव्यू सुनने वाले भी नहीं सर, इंटरव्यू देखने वाले भी तो या आपको क्रिप करते हुए नहीं देखना चाहेंगे. बट स्पीकिंग अबाउट इंफॉर्मेशन about the trajectory that your career has gone through, and it's finally landed in Never Back Down 4, which the franchise is also pretty popular because ये जो एक्शन फिल्म्स है, इंडिया में ये फिल्म हॉलीवुड में सबसे ज़्यादा एक्शन फिल्में ही पॉपुलर होती है. So
Correct. I
this
agree.
action films are this action franchise is pretty popular. But speaking about that point which you had made, कि nobody would lift the phone and say कि इसको हटाओ और नीतू को ले लो, which is fair enough. लेकिन क्या ये कभी हुआ आपके साथ कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट मिलने वाला था? क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस हमें सुनने मिले, स्पेशली इन द लास्ट 1 year व्हेन नेपोटिज्म इतना बड़ी चर्चा बन गई थी कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट में कास्ट किया गया था, and then the phone call came कि नीतू के बदले इसको ले लो. Have you ever faced this kind of favoritism in the industry?
Yes, of course. I think everybody faces it. I face it too. I was removed from the six movies I after signing. But what happens that, you know I don't believe in nepotism much. I'll tell you why. कौन कहाँ पैदा हुआ है और कौन किसका फादर है, किसका मदर है या किसका बच्चा है, किसी के हाथ में नहीं होता. That is, I've realized that very very hard way.
Hmm.
And so, we can't blame it to anybody. And then if somebody is my family, I will of course try to stand with the person. And हम लोगों को तो सिखाया जाता है ना, अपनी फैमिली के साथ खड़ा होना है, अपनी फैमिली को के, you have to support your family. So if everybody's family is a daughter or a son of some superstar, वो अपना बच्चा छोड़ के थोड़ी ना बाहर के बच्चा को बोला, अच्छा तुम आ जाओ.
जी.
कोई नहीं करता ऐसा. Let's be honest. So that is where I understood it later. But then thing is that if वो कहते हैं ना, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा भी पूछे बोल तेरी रजा क्या है. Like if you're so outstanding, like we have had outstanding people like Vidya Balan hai, Kangana hai, we have had Priyanka Chopra hai, Deepika. They don't come from any background as such, and they were so outstanding that they got, they got what they wanted, and they literally kicked the, कहते हैं ना हमारे भाषा में, kick the door so hard that it opens to you.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So yeah, so they did open it, and there are so many star kids जिन जो अच्छा भी नहीं किया है, जिन्होंने उनको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने के बावजूद अच्छा नहीं किया. So what will you say to them? So you favoring one side, like अच्छा उनको मिल जाता है, इनको प्लेटर इजीली मिलता होगा, लेकिन उनका कोई हार्ड वर्क कम नहीं होता है. उनको भी उतना ही पतला रहना पड़ता है और स्क्रीन कैमरा फेस करना पड़ता है और एक्टिंग करनी पड़ती है और डांस करना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके लिए कोई और आ रहा है करने के लिए. They only do it. Our way is that we take a little longer time, which took time for me. I have to understand the whole thing. I was very young to understand the process and everything, and this is a process, and nobody will anyway call for you. अगर कर भी देते हैं ना, तो तुम ही को perform करना पड़ेगा. I'll tell you honestly how I got Never Back Down, and you will be very surprised that I literally manifested it, Russell. I went for the special. I went for the special screening of Bad Boys at Sony Motion Pictures in
The latest
2019.
one, Bad Boys for Life.
And latest, हाँ, Will Smith वाली,
Yeah.
latest वाली,
हाँ.
हाँ. तो मैं उसमें गई थी, and my best friend is 82 years of age, by the way, and her
Okay.
name is Rita Harris, and she's amazing, and I just love her. And she has a competition. She comes with this red nail polish and red lipstick, and she said, "Are you trying to compete with me?" I said, "No,
Nice.
not at all. I am not." But you realize what an amazing inspiration she
Yeah.
would be if I hang around with her. And she'll drive down. She's in Orange Drive, and I stay in Hollywood. I have a house there. So Orange Drive to drive karke aayi. She's like, "I'm down. Come in 5 minutes. You should be downstairs." I'm like, 5 minutes? Yes, and four is over. Just come down. So she keeps me on the toes. And that day she was with me at the screening, and we started talking to David Zilon, who's the producer of Never Back Down. And David ने बोला कि Indian actors बहुत ही pretty होते हैं, and then they come down, and they have such great culture and spirituality. We start talking about. So I said, दुनिया में हर actor, female actor especially, हर way में they are very pretty. Especially our country's actors have been amazing. And then we were talking about Aishwarya Rai and and Nimrit Kaur and Priyanka and everybody. And then I just happened to say ki, there should be something extra which you put it on the table, so that you deserve to get that role, or you know or not. Otherwise, there's a huge competition of being pretty. Pretty का तो कोई end ही नहीं है, right? तो मैंने उसको यही बोला, तो he said, okay, what is that extra you have? तो मैंने बोला, why should I tell you? क्या फायदा तुमको बताने से, नहीं बताऊंगी. So ऐसे ही मैंने मजाक में बोला था. तो उसने बोला, हो सकता है कुछ हो जाए फायदा. I said, see, I'm a black belt 4 Dan in Taekwondo, and I represented India 3 times. I'm also a promoter for NBA Basketball of India, and more than that, I'm really good in action. So he started laughing and he said, I might be having a movie for you. I was like, all right. And Rita was like, if she's not in the movie, then it's just no worth making the movie. I'm like, okay. And I'm telling Rita,
Yeah.
you don't. And Rita is like, you don't shush me. I'm like, okay, no, all right, fine. And that's how David offered me the movie. And then he asked me to come and meet Audrey, who's the writer. Next 2 days' time, we had lunch together, Audrey, me, and David. And David and Audrey then, discussed few things. And then David asked Audrey to write a character around me and my skills, which was another big honor for me. And that happened. Apart from that, apart from that, no. Then continuing that, she wrote Jaya, which is my character in the movie, and I play one of the main leads among two girls, and I play a champion, and I get to do my own action. Like सारा सपना एक साथ जुड़ जाता है ना, वैसे हो गया. So I just manifested it. And even in the movie, people like Michael Bisping, who's a world champion middleweight UFC fighter, I had to fight him. तो जब बॉडी डबल नहीं है और तुम फाइट कर रहे हो, तो तुम कितना भी मारोगे वो हिलेगा ही नहीं, because Michael Bisping, right? So I'm like, oh my god. And then Michael के लिए बहुत आसान था. He would, if he had to fight with me, he would pick me up like this, throw me like that, and I'm like, I am a human being, right? Just don't throw me like that. Drug, drug. Okay, go. I'm like, and then I would tell him, he doesn't know how powerful he is. He has no idea of his own power. Such a sweet, humble person. Then Tim Mann was my fight choreographer, fight master. Then and Tim Mann did, like, of course, he's Tim Mann. And the first thing I thought, that whatever I've learned, I hope they just get the whole fight around that, and inculcate the whole thing. And then that's how it happened. First, the fight choreography was not as as moldable as possible. It was just straight. That it was more Brazilian jiu-jitsu, I would say that.
Acha, acha.
And I specialize in kicks and round kicks and back kick and flying kick, and all those. So, and I was like, ooh,
so you had to adapt.
Like a learning. Yeah, you need to adapt it. And then Tim Mann asked me, what are the kicks which you are comfortable and you train in. So I told him, and then
Because
he
पहले
got
वाली
those cases fine. And I was like, yes. And I have thoroughly enjoyed every bruise, every pain, every punch, every hit, every my body. By the end of the day, every day after the shooting, I could move. कभी कभी तो ऐसा हुआ कि by the end of the when I you come back to the come back to your apartment, मैं bed पे बैठी हूँ and I don't know when I slept. I was so hurt and in pain. Like मैं बैठे बैठे I just slept. Then
that's
two
what
three
is
o'clock
really
in the
satisfying.
morning.
That's what is really
Yeah,
satisfying.
but 2 3 in the morning I used to get up and like, oh, I still have to remove my makeup. I still have to, and I have to get up at 6 and then do my yoga for an hour. And when you do yoga, then your body is ready to go and roll again to the next day, right? It's not that एक दिन का तो shoot है नहीं, 3 weeks का shoot है, plus 3 weeks का training है. So together you see how. So I was thanking my body every day to stay with me. So that is how I was training, and I got 5 standing ovations throughout the shooting and my practices. And I was like, because it was also performance, not only action. It's a drama,
Yeah, yeah,
right? Action drama.
I get that.
So sometimes it was funny that I used to get stuck in the dialogue and I would turn to Kelly, my director. She's an amazing visionary, and I would ask her, Kelly, is it British English or American English I have to focus on?
Very different thing.
And she's like, just try British first. I'm like, hello, would you like to have a cup of tea? And she's like, would you like to have a cup of tea? She's like, nay, nay, nay. Let's carry on with American English. I said, no, what about Indian English? No, no, don't try to do Indian English. We're doing an American movie. I was like, oh, sure. So I have had so much learning from each and every individual there. There was a French girl with me in the movie, who's amazing. There's a Canadian girl. I had the best time of my life. You guys will be so proud to see this movie. I'm like so excited.
I'm already feeling proud to hear it. I hope it comes on a big screen. OTT पे नहीं आना चाहिए.
I know. Hope सब लोग confident feel करें वापस theater जाने के लिए यार. That is what we
Yeah,
want.
yeah, yeah.
As a producer also, I want that. Not of this film, but there are
रिलीज
other
में
films
थोड़ा
that I'm
टाइम होगा
producing,
ना.
right?
रिलीज में
From
थोड़ा
films
टाइम
of.
होगा ना.
हाँ हाँ
रिलीज
अभी तो स्टार्ट ही अभी तो खत्म ही हुई है 1 महीने पहले अभी तो आई टोल्ड यू माय डायरेक्टर सेड सेकंड रीली एडिट कर रही हो
हाँ तो फिर आई थिंक सो तब तक और हालत ठीक हो
and
जाना.
I am back to LA by the end of this month so that I can I can start my preparation for my next projects, 2 more projects.
वो भी anything more you would like to hint at, what are these projects about? Something as big
ना
as.
ना ना ओइसी ने मुझे मना किया है मैं नहीं कर सकती Just kidding.
अच्छा. नहीं, मुझे तो
नहीं
ये
नहीं नहीं बात ये नहीं है बात ये कि I was also had signed documents that I can't talk about, even never back down, before the movie. So once I finished the movie, completed it, shot the posters and everything, then only we could talk to you, right? So
I understand. मुझे तो पूछना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि जर्नलिस्ट को तो खुद के निकालना ही पड़ता है, तो ये तो मुझे पूछना ही पड़ता
पूछ लो कोई
है.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है लेकिन बताना नहीं है मुझे
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah,
मना किया गया
I
है
understand that.